So I'm packing for camping, and so Jordan tells me like I'm gonna change 3 times a day. So I'm like, 3 times a day? That's a lot of outfits. So, and we're only gonna be gone for like 3 days. So I'm just like, that's like 10 outfits. So guess what? There's 10 outfits right there of the skimpiest clothes that I own. We are going camping, you guys. We're going camping. We are at Lake Siskiyou. It says Siskiyou. I'm not sure how you say that. Lake Siskiyou, okay? Smile. You're here. I know this is my first time camping. We're going glamping, like a version of glamping. And we are staying in an RV. We're already in the RV. That's how we got here. Like, we got the bed back there. We need to go make that. Here's the couch. There's a little kitchen right there. All that good stuff. And then, like, right above us is another place where you can, like, lay down. There's a TV up there. All that shit. Today is Tuesday, and we are going to be here for 3 days. And I'm excited because, y'all, I bought a blow-up couch. We got a movie projector. Like, it's definitely, this is not like your typical camping. And Jordan's like, this is like not camping at all. But I feel like this camp because we still sleeping outside. I never slept outside or in an RV. So this is camping for me. But Eric and his girlfriend Nyla are on their way, and they should be here. They should probably be here like maybe in an hour or maybe 2. They're in a regular car, so they don't have to go as slow as we did. But they should be here soon, and I'm excited. Like I said, I ain't never done this before. I'm nervous because I don't like mosquitoes. I don't like bugs. But we got bug spray, and we got like these bug incense. We got a lot of stuff. So I'll show you guys everything that we got once we actually get to our campsite. But we going camping now! Oh! No, black. What?
He was like, we do have bears in the area. They're not aggressive. So
what the fuck is a non-aggressive bear? That's in their nature to be aggressive. What the?
He's like, he said we're the third right.
Third right and E. I got you on the camera.
Alright, camera. We're navigating to our campsite right now. Had a very, very smooth drive up. Very enjoyable. Listened to some good tunes. Listened to some
Breakfast Club.
Yeah. It was nice, man. And so now we're headed to our campsite. We're gonna get this G-Thangsta set up. Maybe take a walk before, check out the area. It's nice. We got up here in great time. It's a beautiful area. So far, everybody's been real nice. I think the moment of truth is this a black family? He looks kind of black.
That's one of the main things we always look for, guys. Black families, our kin folks. It smells like.
Yeah, for sure. That's fine.
No, it smells like mildew. Doesn't it smell like
Mildew?
Yeah. Like when I walk right here. Hanging lights, eh?
Yeah, stringing up some lights for us. It's gonna be some vibes at night.
Super vibes. It's good. We got the couch up, so we have some pillows. We're gonna make it all cute and whatnot. But now, there's our fire set up over there. There's a fire pit down there on the ground. I'll show you guys. There's a fire pit on the ground. And this is gonna be this is our cooking setup once we get our little awning thing up.
So right here is where it's at. I don't know. Let me try right here. Oh, right here where it's at too. Got a little dip in the back. Vibes. Afternoon nap out here, boy. Stop playing. Stop. Why do you guys think I'm such a rookie? I'm grown now. Jordan, tell I can handle my liquor.
I know you can handle your liquor, kinda. What's up? We're walking through the forest. walking to wherever, yeah, like just wherever. Literally just walking. Rule number 1, stick together. Oh wow, look at this. This ain't Alameda Beach. Oh wow, Shasta over there. It's beautiful, and it's clean water. Ooh, free?
Oh, that
was nice. The water is beautiful. This view is beautiful. They have like this, like, not jungle gym, but like a water jungle gym. And yours truly, more than likely, will not be on that. So I can't swim. I'm gonna have a life jacket on.
Alright, man. It's a fun trip.
Fun trip. Hey. Okay, yeah. Cheers. Cheers.
The nachos.
Eric, are you eating early?
So we camping.
Camping, and Eric and I are here, as you guys saw. Just took some shots because we have to get going. And Jordan, I don't know if I got video of it, but Jordan was outside cooking the ground beef for the tacos. I am making the chicken for the tacos, and we're gonna go ahead and make some guacamole. I don't eat that shit, but Jordan likes that shit, so he's gonna make it. Just a little rundown of what we got in our fridge. So we got some salmon for tomorrow, I think for lunch or for dinner, I'm not sure. Some bacon and stuff for breakfast. We got fruit, milk, eggs, water, a bunch of produce stuff down there. Hi, Eric. Hello, Eric.
Hi.
What's going on, sir? Eric's hooking up the projector, guys.
Yeah, we just hooked up the movie projector. Gonna get that popping.
I bought Step Brothers and I bought Friday. But yeah, so in this cooler we actually have a bunch of meats because we couldn't fit all of our meats obviously in the fridge because it's not like, you know, a full-size fridge. In the freezer, you know what we got? We got some motherfucking popsicles, one of my favorite juices ever, that cran white peach or white cran peach. What you know about that? Nothing. But that Henny and that VSOP. So we're chilling, we are living right now. We're about to go ahead and get a movie going. I don't know if we'll watch a movie. Might put the game on, I don't know. We're glamping, y'all. We glamped them. We're watching the game.
Boy, we might go blow up the air mattress.
Bro, it's lovely. It's lovely out here.
It's the friends. Hey guys. Hello. Nyla, there we go. Hello. We're watching the game. It's a little early, so it's a little light. But you can see. There's me. Hey.
What's going on?
I don't really have night vision, but
Yeah, we good.
we're about to change the color of the fire, guys. Magical flames. I'm gonna put 2 in there.
Just like, come over here.
Okay, let's
Oh my god.
Now you're fired.
Good morning.
Yo.
Good morning in all our crustiness.
I know, I'm hella crusty. Y'all gonna be like, bitch, you done wore this same outfit for like
I
5
don't care.
days.
It's fucking cold. It's the only warm thing I got. And I'm gonna wear it, okay?
Period. Making coffee in an old school coffee maker because we got Keurigs, so we don't even know. You know, we know how to do it.
We have some real hunter-gatherer.
Yeah. The sun is like, I can't see if you guys can see it. It's orange. You guys know it's a bunch of fires and stuff going on out here, so it's very smoky. There's been ash that's been falling, but the sun is orange. But we're out here. Our neighbors are leaving. Troy and his wife, I forgot her name. They're cool. They gave us some firewood. Yeah, this is Thursday. We got another full day of fun. Eric and Nyla are going to be leaving us today, so we're going to turn up before they go.
Period. Turn up, take a shot. We gotta finish that bottle.
That's what I was saying last night. And I ordered.
Wait, you finished it last night?
No, y'all didn't.
Last night we took another shot each. The bottle too.
No, y'all did not.
I swear to God.
Did y'all?
On my way.
Ew.
And your orange juice?
Hennessy and orange juice.
Oh, well, we're gonna bring the Dom Perignon on the boat
Hey.
because we brought it and we haven't drunk it yet. So we're gonna be drinking another fucking champagne on the boat.
But no reason.
For no reason.
It's coffee thing is working.
I'm like looking. I'm like, I don't even see no noise happening. Oh, did we pour water in here? Look, girl, we didn't even pour no water in there. That's why it ain't working.
See, this is why we need Keurig.
Yeah.
Because apparently,
So
we don't even know how to make coffee.
Y'all didn't see the meter on the side.
In cooking today.
Throwing it down.
What you got going on right here?
Some pecan.
Pecan? It's that French shit, huh?
Yeah, this that French pecan.
What's in that bowl?
This is some little pancake mix.
So what you doing over here?
Making
Patatos?
Eastern.
Like the Yeezy Huts, bro.
I'm making northeastern potakettes.
Potato kids.
Yes.
All right, that's new. That's new.
Hey, y'all ain't never seen this before.
Oh, make a lot of pancakes.
We can make BLTs. Oh, we don't have
We're not
tomatoes.
gonna make a lot of pancakes because you mark ass niggas
I don't
flake
like
on
any
pancakes.
That's why I only did a one thing.
That's fine. Just make me some pancakes and call it a day. Nobody else want pancakes. Be real with yourself.
Oh, somebody felt some type of way about eating all 13 pancakes yesterday.
You niggas fuck them damn pancakes.
We got that Lowry's. These Lowry's.
Pancakes don't mean nothing to y'all, so this is how y'all treat them. Just gonna flip it.
You about to flip this shit, Eric?
Fucking mind if you thought I wasn't gonna flip it. Hell yeah, I'm gonna flip it.
All right, flip that shit then. Oh, whoa. Don't be fucking up my potatoes, though. Bam, you're already fired.
I'm fine.
You're just moving my potatoes.
Maybe drain that little bit of butter off the pan so you flip.
I know, I know.
Better not fuck it up. Are you flipping over there?
Flip it like that. Like that.
That's what you get.
Tried it, folks. We tried it.
You failed. Great job, babe.
My little braids is messed up. Y'all, I did my own feet and braids, so they don't look the best, but it's cool because I did it myself and I'm proud of it. We on a boat. Mount Shasta's back there. We over here. See us? My hair is so frizzy. Oh my gosh.
Camping's over.
It's not over yet. It's over tomorrow, but
It was fun. We did it. We did the damn thing. S'mores. Campfires. Boats. Like
boats and hoes.
boats.
Movies.
Movie night. Everything.
Everything. It's great.
It was a good, could stay longer. But I have to get back to my home.
Baby Caesar. Caesar, I can't wait to see Caesar. Oh my gosh.
Bring him next time.
He's gonna be so excited. Oh my gosh, I miss my baby.
Repeat what he says.
He is. He's gonna be like,
Oh my God, that's fine.
all the loves and kisses. Oh, my baby.